What is up, guys? It's Bob here and welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing, guys? Hope you have an amazing day. In today's video I'm gonna give you a room tour, and this hotel is called the LOKHA LEGIAN, located at Pamela Street. We'll show you the swimming pool, we'll show the room. And this hotel it's about 20 minutes drive from Bali International Airport. It's very close to the beach, very close to Legian, and it's very close to Seminyak area. Without further ado, let's go. I do have a lot of video along this street many times before, where you can check them out on my YouTube channel. So this street is called Pamela Street, and as far as I can see, Pamela Street is getting picked up a little bit. I can see there more tourists are walking down the street, but in this video today you don't see many of them, just because it's overcast, or maybe it's too early in the morning. This is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see here in this video, most of the shops here are open. And this street is usually getting busier during the night time. There's so many bars and restaurants can be found along here. And let me show you the sky. The sky is all white. It's overcast, and it's a little bit windy today. Hopefully it won't be any rain. Yesterday it was raining. It has been like this for the last 7 days. And this is it. This is the sign. This is the hotel I'm going to show you guys. It's called the Iwakawakian Resort and Spa. And over there you can see the sign, room available. Then across the street from the hotel you can find there some t-shirt shops, souvenirs, handicraft, and then there is the Lok has a lot of pizzeria over there. It's tiny small shop, and then across over there is a restaurant. It's called Summer something, I just don't really remember. And so yeah, let's take a walk in the hotel. Take a look at the swimming pool. They have two different swimming pool with two different levels. The other one is higher and lower. So the pool bar is over there. Very good. And this is the sun bath with nice cushions. And I want to show you this. This is, I don't know what kind of food this was. And this is the lobby area. The front desk is over there to my left. And then this must be the breakfast area. Very nice, very nice. There is a tiny small fountain over there. Very nice fountains with little pool, or it's just for the shower. It's not fish pond, it's just some, I don't know what to call that. If you guys know about it, please put a comment down below. Alright, it's time to show you the room. And the room number is 106. This is the front door. And this is the balcony where you can find chair, table, us right here. Then one more chair over here with cushions. Let me open it up. The door is open. Welcome to the room, everyone. And this is what you're gonna see as soon as you stand here in front of the door. Very nice stool, cushion, nice wooden table here. I like it looks or shape. Then the bed sheet is pretty beautiful as well. I like him, the color. Chocolate brown, orange. Some pillow over there with nice cushion right in the middle. And look at the head of the bed. There is wood carving over there. Two lights. There's so many switches there and plugging, which I'm not so sure what kind of switch. And there are some photo frame here. Beautiful photos. And then right here you can find their flat screen TV. It's back. So this must be the hotel amenities here, where you can find electric kettle, 2 bottles of mineral water, 2 cups, 2 glasses. There's some tea, coffee over there, telephone, and there is a mini bar here. Let me open this up. It's open. You can find there is a small tiny fridge here. Let me open the fridge. The fridge is open. It's still empty. Let me close it down. And let's check out what is this in that side. Well, there's nothing. It's just some storage chest. And then take a look on the other side of this room. To my right over here, there is a desk. Beautiful chair. Very nice mirror here. And this is the light. And then there's some photo here as well. Traditional Balinese picture in the old days. And it is time to walk down to this side over here to the bathroom. And over here there are some spaces for, well, this is the closet. Big, tall closet, and you can find here safety box. And there's so many storages and drawer here. It has sliding door. Let me check it out on this side. Well, you can find here some clothing hanger, some spaces right here on the top, and mirror over there as well. And this is the door to the bathroom. Let me open the door. The door is open, and welcome to bathroom, everyone, and take a look at this. This bathtub looks different. It's more, it looks huge, and you can sit over there as well, I believe. This is the faucet, got some hose, and floating shelf for your towel. And then on this side over here, there is a large mirror again with some spaces in here. You can find there is toilet paper, soap, shampoo, and this is a single sink. I like the shape of the sink, it's so round, and faucet, some switches, plugging, and I believe this is the hair dryer, and the toilet desk of here. This is the toilet, and you can find here trash can, toilet paper as well. Let me show you again the bathroom from here. I'm going to walk outside slow. Well, it's so large, nice. And let me go back to the bathroom again. This is the room. This is the bed, I mean. There is a big window where you can see swimming pool outside. So this is the view from the room straight to the swimming pool. Well, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, and as per usual, I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling. This room is called Super Deluxe.